Welcome to Easy English channel. This is a place where you can relax, improve your English, and practice speaking in a calm and natural way. Today's lesson is about something very important: how to talk about yourself confidently in English. Many English learners understand grammar. Many learners know vocabulary. But when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," their mind suddenly becomes empty. If this happens to you, don't worry. You are not alone. Today, we will practice simple and natural English that you can use in real life. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a perfect accent. You only need confidence, practice, and clear communication. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. When you meet someone for the first time, you usually start with a greeting. For example, hello, good morning, good afternoon, nice to meet you. These greetings are simple, polite, and natural. Now, let's continue with your name. You can say, "My name is Daniel," or "I'm Sarah," or "Hello, my name is Omar." Try to speak slowly and clearly. A calm voice sounds more confident. Now, let's talk about where you are from. People often ask, "Where are you from?" You can answer, "I'm from Ethiopia," "I'm from Brazil," "I'm from India," or you can add your city. For example, "I'm from Arba Minch in Ethiopia," "I'm from Nairobi in Kenya," "I'm from Bangkok in Thailand." You can also talk about where you live now. For example, "I currently live in Addis Ababa." "I live in Dubai now." "I was born in Egypt, but now I live in Canada." These sentences help people understand your background. Now, let's move to one of the most common questions in English conversation. What do you do? This means, what is your job? Or, what do you study? You can answer simply, "I work as a teacher." "I work in customer service." "I'm a university student." "I study computer science." "I work as a graphic designer." Now, let's make these answers sound more natural and interesting. Instead of only saying, "I'm a teacher," you can say, "I work as a teacher and I enjoy helping students become more confident." Or, "I work in sales and I enjoy communicating with different people." Adding feeling and personality makes your English stronger. Now, let's talk about hobbies and free time. This is where people begin to understand your personality. You can say, "In my free time, I enjoy reading books. I like listening to music. I enjoy watching movies. I love traveling and learning about different cultures. I enjoy walking while listening to podcasts." Simple hobbies are perfectly fine. You do not need exciting stories to speak good English. Even simple things can sound meaningful when you describe them naturally. For example, "I enjoy quiet mornings with coffee and music." Or, "I like long walks because they help me relax and think clearly." Now your English sounds more natural and emotional. Next, let's talk about personality. People sometimes ask, "How would you describe yourself?" You can use simple adjectives like friendly, calm, hardworking, creative, patient, curious, shy, talkative, independent, or responsible. For example, "I'm a calm and patient person." "I'm friendly and hardworking." "I'm shy at first, but I become more talkative later." "I enjoy learning new things and meeting new people." These answers sound natural and mature. Now, let's move to future goals and dreams. You can say, "My goal is to improve my English confidence. I'd like to travel more in the future. One of my dreams is to work internationally. I want to continue learning and growing as a person." Simple and honest answers are always powerful. Now, let's practice a full self-introduction together. Listen carefully, then repeat slowly. "Hello, and thank you for listening today. I'm from Ethiopia, and I currently live in Addis Ababa. I work in customer service, and I enjoy communicating with different people every day. In my free time, I enjoy listening to music, watching movies, and practicing English speaking. I'm naturally calm and hardworking, and I enjoy learning new skills. One of my goals is to improve my English confidence and work with international teams in the future. I believe learning English can create new opportunities and connect people from different cultures." Thank you for taking the time to listen. Very good. Now, remember something important. Many learners are afraid to speak English because they think, my grammar is not perfect. My pronunciation is not good. I need more vocabulary. But confidence does not come from perfection. Confidence comes from practice. Every conversation helps you improve. Every mistake teaches you something new. So, do not wait to become perfect before speaking English. Speak now, even if you feel nervous, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Now repeat these confidence sentences after me. I am improving every day. My English does not need to be perfect. I can communicate clearly. I am becoming more confident. Every conversation helps me grow. Excellent. Now, let's practice one more full example. Good afternoon. I'm originally from Kenya, and I currently work as a marketing assistant. I enjoy creative work because I like communication and problem solving. In my free time, I enjoy photography, music, and learning languages. I would describe myself as curious, calm, and hardworking. In the future, I hope to travel more, improve my English fluency, and continue growing professionally. Thank you for listening. That is a strong and natural introduction. Now, before we finish, remember these important points. Speak slowly. Use simple English. Organize your ideas clearly. Do not be afraid of mistakes. And most importantly, believe in your ability to improve. Learning English is not only about grammar and vocabulary. It is also about confidence, communication, and self-expression. Every time you speak English, you are becoming stronger. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep speaking, keep learning, and never be afraid to use your voice. See you in the next lesson.